Today, I'm going to show you how to check your X.com or Twitter messages in just a few simple steps. This is a quick tutorial, but if you've ever struggled to find your direct messages on X, this will make it easy. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what you should expect to see on the screen, and how to get into your message inbox without any confusion. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it means a lot. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once the site loads, log in with your account details if you're not already signed in. You may need to enter your username, email, or phone number along with your password depending on how your account is set up. After you sign in, you'll be taken to the main X home screen. Now look at the left-hand sidebar on the screen. This is where X keeps most of its main navigation options, like home, search, notifications, and more. In that sidebar, click on Chat. This is the section that takes you directly to your messages. Once you click it, your direct message history will appear in the middle column of the screen. You should see your recent conversations, message threads, and any active chats you've had with other accounts. From there, you can open any conversation by clicking on it, read your messages, and continue chatting if needed. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, take a moment to scroll through the list because older chats may appear further down. And if you're using X on a smaller screen or a different layout, the chat option may still be in the menu, just in a slightly different place. The key thing to remember is simple. Log into x.com, click Chat in the left sidebar, and your direct messages will show up in the middle column. That's all there is to it. You're now in your X messages and ready to check, read, and reply to your DMs whenever you need to. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.